Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to present to you the mobile credit card. Well, first, this application was founded by people in Thailand, and these two persons over here are the main designers of the application. So, starting, what does this program do? It's a mobile wallet and service developed by Cellum for pays by mobile. A credit card features 3D secure card transactions and offers a range of handy functions to users. One of these is the ability to purchase movie tickets right on the handsets. So basically, this applications read the credit card. The users just need to slide the credit card below the smartphone, and with the camera, the same smartphone will read the bar, and you only have to insert before that some numbers that the credit card has with the security numbers too to make the purchase. So, what problem does it solve? A range of innovation, mobile payment, and loyalty initiatives. The company offers an app, SF Showtime, for Android and iOS devices that allows users to book tickets to specific seats. So, this is basically very useful for many people around the world because most of them have Apple or Android devices. So, yes, you can download if you want. The users won't need to arrive 45 minutes before the showing and pay for their tickets on the premises. But with mobile credit card, users can now complete the purchase right away and avoid lines. So basically, users can buy tickets or products at any time online with their smartphones because of these applications allows it. So, stakeholders, we have four main stakeholders: the users, the designers of the app, and competitors and the companies. Okay, so the users, their role is they buy the product they want through the app. They do it because it is safe and they are probably saving some money. So as a user, I would prefer to buy online and stay in home and don't go out to a mall to buy any product. If I have the possibility on my computer or in my smartphone with that application, I will buy it right away and save some time, and also I can save some money too. The designers of the app, they create this app to earn money and try to help people to save time. The users will not need to go out to buy their product. They can buy it anywhere with their smartphone or with the computer. Then we have the companies. Okay, the companies, they get interested on the app and they want to sell their products on that application. So they talk with the designers to make a deal. So basically, the companies are very important for the application because the application will have more brands and more things to sell if companies get interested in selling their products through the application. And finally, the competitors. These ones I believe that are the most important because it makes the designers to make their product better or the application better. The competitors' role is just try to improve the things that you have done and make it better and cheaper so people go buy there. So basically, our motivation for the designers to make their application better. So then we have how this application works. Okay, so basically it has two main functions and we will see it right now. The users enter to the app, the, the one that sells tickets, and they have to complete two principal stages, as I was saying, and these two principal stages are the reservation and the payment. The reservation is very easy. The user will need to select the movie they want to see, the time, the amount of tickets he wants to buy, and where they want to sit on the theater. So if any family want to go to the cinema this weekend, they can start seeing on the application all the information that the movie has whenever they want to watch the movie and the cost of the tickets. So the reservation is mostly that. Then we have the payment. consists in pushing the notifications on the app to bring the mobile credit card. Select the card you have, enter the number that it contains with the secure number, 2, and finally you slice the card to make the purchase and finish the process. Okay, so then we have the input of this application. Here we have two main inputs, that is the credit card number and the information that the user entered before buying the product. This input is very important because it contains all your valuable information about the credit card. You need to insert it correctly so the operation has any problem. Then we have the smartphone the user used to enter the app. So basically this one is very important too, because here you will have all the information and you will need it to make the purchase. Okay, now here in the processing, we have the two main things that I was explaining before, the reservation and the payment. I will explain them with more details. Okay, the reservation. Number one, select the movie to see. Number two, select the time and venue of showing. Number three, select ticket type and amount. And on the application, you will have to tap buy now. Number four, select the mobile credit cards as the payment. Number 5, select specific seat from the map. And number 6, review the details. The number 6 is very important because here the application will show all the things that you have select, and if anything is wrong you can change it right away, so there is no problem on it. Then we have the payment. Okay, first on the app, push the notification to bring up the mobile credit card. Number 2, tap the event indicator in the upper right hand corner to view the activity list. Number 3, select the pending transaction. And number 4, enter the PIN and the app and slice the card, and your purchase will have to be done. Okay, for the output, we have one main output, that is the product or the ticket that the user purchased, um, or that the client have bought. So this one is very important because it is the final part of the processing, the product and ticket that the user has at the end. Then we have the storage. For this case, it could be the bill that the app saves on the record of the user. The user have an account where all the things the user have bought will stay there. So this one is very important because it saves like a record of the things that you have bought. Then we have the impacts. We have the impacts for the four different stakeholders. So I'm going to start with the users. We have the positive one. They can easily buy products or tickets online in any device with their credit card. This one is very positive and very useful for many users. Then we have the negative one. Um, could be the safety and privacy issues the time they put into it their credit card number. So I believe this one is a negative because most of the people don't trust in any applications. They will have to see a record of that application so they can trust them. Then for the designers of the app, a positive could be can sell products through their app and earn money basically. Yeah. So a negative thing could be that hard to convince people to start using the app. Mostly this hard part is because people don't trust in any things. Nowadays they can get robbed very easily. Then for the companies, positive can sell their products on the app quickly and inform their users about their new products. So this one is very positive because the companies want to have their last updates for the users. They can start selling new clothes, shoes, or for example, for the cinema, a new movie or something like that. Then the negative thing that could happen is that selling will go down because people is no longer going to the store, just buying online. Then for the competitors, a positive easily find out the competitor sales and cost, and they can improve itself, so they can make an easily research about your application and make it better. And the negative is that the customers might go to shop with them. So if the competitor's application is better, the customers will go there to buy any product. And finally, the solution of to the problem. So I select basically problem that is the negative impact could be that the users have trouble at the moment they need to trust the app to pay for the product. They might think many things that could happen. For example, not receiving the tickets or the product. That is the important thing here. So a good solution that I researched is that at the moment the user make the purchase at the product, the app instantly create a bill, and the user has the option to print it or just take a screenshot to it. This will prove that he or she bought something for the company. They will use the bill if something goes wrong to the operation. So yeah, basically this is very important because if something goes wrong, they have the bill and it says where did you buy it and the amount of money that you spent buying that product or ticket. So anything goes wrong. So thank you for watching.